Today I am going to discuss about the GST concept. GST is nothing but goods and service tax. Suppose if you are going to purchase any item from the supplier or the manufacturer, as a person we are liable to pay the tax to the government indirectly. When we are suppose purchasing the items or any goods or services, we are indirectly pay the tax to the government. This is our liability. So any person or any individual organization, they are try to pay the tax on indirectly to the government when we are supposed to purchase the goods or when we are utilizing any services. At that time we are paying the tax to the government. Under the indirect taxes, we are having so many taxes are there. So try to avoid this confusion for the public. The government, they are try to implement they are implementing the one important concept that is called the GST. Actually this GST implemented in the year 2016 for try to avoid all the confusion when the taxpayer they are try to pay the tax to the government. At that time they have to face so many issues and also some misunderstanding about the particular tax system under either the traders or the manufacturer or the suppliers. So they are having so many confusions under this system. That's why the government they are implementing the one important concept that all indirect taxes are coming under the one umbrella. So that's why it's called the one of the main concept implemented by our government. So in the year 2016 they are introducing the GST concept. First and foremost state, that is Assam only, they are accepting the GST system when the government introduced immediately. But other states they are try to get some hesitation to accept this new concept. Because whenever we are implementing the new ideas or the new concept we are implementing into the public, at that time every person they are having some hesitation to follow the new system because they are already they are using in the existing system. They have to get some they got some experiences. So that's why they are trying to accept the new concept or the new ideas or new implementation. They are having some hesitation how we are going to work under this concept. What is the new implementations will be happening? If we have to face any problem, everything will be coming under the mind. Okay, so that's why the people they are hesitating to accept the new system. So the same thing happen in the GST also. So that all the traders or the manufacturer or any suppliers they are having some hesitation to accept the new system. But actually under the GST is a very easily acceptable by the people. But the some days only I will be taking the some more days to accept this concept and try to finally they are all the traders and the manufacturer of the all the state people they have to accept this GST concept. Based on this GST revenue only, the government they are try to implement the new systems provided to the providing the best facilities and also the infrastructure facilities to the public. So they have to try to construct the new bridges or the new dams and also the infrastructure facilities like the road construction and the dam, everything they have to make it based upon this revenue only, tax revenue only. Okay, so all the people they have to pay the tax without any hesitation and also they have to pay the tax to the government directly or either indirectly to the government in a perfect manner. We have no any hesitate to accept this system and also they are having a honestly to pay the tax to the government because we are using all the amenities and also the every services and everything we have to utilize. So based on the utilization only we have to pay the tax to the government. So it is no point we are not able to we are not cheating the government. So the in case of we are trying to cheat the government, it's not a good thing. So every person we have to pay the tax. It's a one of our responsibility.